Hello coders, I am being presented with another set of scenarios and the function we will be using is equal to if s. So if the meter type is commercial, so here it is. If it is commercial, the rate would be 3 units, 3 per unit. If it is domestic, then it would be 8.9 per unit, while if it is industrial, it will be 12 per unit. Now to highlight this particular range of cells, we will be selecting this particular cell range, and here we will be clicking on this fill color button, and we will be selecting some simple color format. Now already the rate is being populated in my Excel, in my Google spreadsheet. So what I need to do is that I need to delete all the data, that is clear out the content and develop the problem scenario from scratch. So what I'll be doing is that there is no option for, okay, let's hit delete key from the keyboard. Let's see what happens. Fine. So delete key from the keyboard deletes the data from the column. So what we'll be doing is that we will be using a function ifs, and ifs will be telling with some criteria, like if this particular cell is having a value of commercial, then what will be the rate. So for commercial it is being 8.9 as being shown in here in the right hand side, so comma, then again another one, so if this one is a domestic one, so for domestic the rate is 3, while if it is industrial, the last condition, so if this particular cell value has a if Google spreadsheet founds the value as industrial, then it will be making the chart, I mean it will be making the calculation, the unit will be 12 per unit. Close the braces and press enter. So after here just drag the all the way across. So commercials are 8.9 and domestics are 3. So domestics are 8.9. Okay, so let me make some changes. I did some, what I did is that I made domestic for 3 and for commercial it is 8.9. So I am making some small changes to the Excel spreadsheet. Do it on your own and let me know how you like this particular video. See you all next for some another video. Happy coding guys.